The Tokyo Trial. Seeking justice for Japan's atrocities. The Tokyo Trial saw the end of the Japanese Empire's brutal regime and helped lay the foundation for international criminal law. It was only the second time in history an international tribunal sentenced people to prison and to death. Yet, it's barely mentioned in history. Today, I seek to change that. Japan had been living in self-imposed isolation for centuries until 1854, when the USA forced it to open its ports and markets. Japanese leaders realized just how weak they had become compared to the rest of the world and created a plan to rapidly westernize, modernize, and industrialize. As Japan's economy grew, it soon ran out of the resources to sustain it. Japan fought several wars to gain access to foreign resources, eventually taking over a large part of Asia. As the Japanese army moved across Asia, it became apparent that they were committing atrocities on a massive scale, including slave labor, comfort women, and massacres. When the tide of war turned, the leaders of various powers came together to declare that the leaders of Japan would be punished. The USA established the International Military Tribunal for the Far East, also known as the Tokyo Trial. The tribunal had 11 judges and 11 prosecution teams from different countries. The defendants could be indicted for 3 types of crimes: crimes against peace, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. A person would have to be indicted for crimes against peace in order to be tried at the Tokyo Trial. The defense was comprised of 1/4 U.S. lawyers and 3/4 Japanese lawyers. The imperial family, including the emperor, was not prosecuted. The USA wanted the emperor on the throne to make occupying and reforming Japan easier. The leader of Japan's Human Experimentation Unit also escaped trial by trading research results with the USA. The arrests of the 28 indicted men didn't happen smoothly. Hideki Tojo, the prime minister during the war, attempted suicide but was resuscitated. The trial lasted 2.5 years, during which 2 defendants died of natural causes. The prosecution presented evidence of consistent and widespread atrocities. The defense argued that the court wasn't impartial enough and that Japan's wars were no different than Western wars. They claimed that Japan was forced into war by Western powers and that the blame should fall on the USA. The defense also presented different arguments regarding their clients' involvement in the atrocities. The verdicts varied, with some defendants found guilty of crimes against humanity and sentenced to death, while others were found guilty of crimes against peace and sentenced to imprisonment. In total, 28 men were indicted, including 18 senior military leaders and 9 senior political leaders. The Tokyo Trial sought to bring justice for Japan's atrocities during World War II. While it may not be widely known, it played a crucial role in establishing international criminal law. It serves as a reminder of the importance of accountability and the pursuit of justice, even in the face of difficult circumstances.